At number 1, we have the JBL Spinner BT Bluetooth Turntable, a premium wireless turntable designed with JBL's renowned audio engineering, delivering impressive sound clarity while preserving the warm, authentic character of vinyl. Unlike many traditional players, the Spinner BT supports high-quality Bluetooth transmission, allowing you to connect wirelessly to compatible speakers or headphones. Even over Bluetooth, the audio retains excellent detail, making it a fantastic option for a cable-free listening experience. Its heavy aluminum platter provides rotational stability, while the vibration dampening feet reduce unwanted noise. The precision tone arm has a removable head shell for easy upgrades. Overall, the JBL Spinner BT combines elegant styling and outstanding performance. The only drawbacks are the lack of built-in speakers and its premium price. A top choice for modern homes.
At number 2, we have the Fluence RT85 Reference High Fidelity Turntable. The highlight is the factory-installed Ortofon 2M Blue cartridge, producing rich bass, smooth mids, and sparkling highs. Its thick acrylic platter minimizes unwanted resonance, while the solid MDF wood plinth and isolation feet keep vibrations to a minimum. A precision optical speed-controlled servo motor maintains extremely accurate playback at 33, 1-3, so 45, and 78 RPM. This results in rich, detailed, and natural sound, making it a favorite for serious music lovers. Just remember, it lacks Bluetooth and built-in speakers, so you'll need an external amplifier and speakers to unlock its full potential.
At number 3, we have the Victrola Bluetooth record player. This stylish player has all the essentials, from built-in speakers to a convenient carry handle. Its lightweight suitcase design is compact, durable, and adapts to any space. Explore new music or revisit old favorites with support for 33, 1-3, 45, and 78 RPM records. Plus, stream your music wirelessly with Bluetooth or connect via the RCA output and headphone jack. Get spinning in minutes with effortless setup and simple controls for the ultimate listening experience. Unleash your individuality with a record player designed to fit your vibe. Note it requires wall power, and the built-in speakers have limited bass. The Victrola Journey Plus is the perfect gift for music lovers of all ages. At number 4, we have the Victrola Bluetooth record player. This stylish, lightweight suitcase player brings the classic vinyl experience to any room. It plays all your favorite records, supporting 33, 1-3, 45, and 78 RPM speeds. Or stream your digital music wirelessly from any smartphone. It's the best of both worlds. With built-in speakers, RCA outputs, and a headphone jack, you can enjoy your music your way. It's the perfect all-in-one player for beginners to start their vinyl journey. Just remember, it needs to be plugged in. Take your tunes anywhere with the Victrola Journey Plus.
At number 3, we have the Victrola Bluetooth record player. This is a true all-in-one entertainment center. It plays vinyl, CDs, cassettes, has AM/FM radio, Bluetooth, and an AUX input. Rediscover your vinyl collection with its 3-speed turntable, supporting all your classic records. Or stream music wirelessly from your smart device for modern convenience. It has built-in speakers for plug-and-play listening, plus RCA outputs for when you want more power. The attractive retro cabinet looks great in any room, and the front controls are super easy to use. While it's not for audiophiles, the Victrola Quincy offers incredible versatility in one beautiful package.